Here we can see two animals taking a well-earned rest. It's early morning and they've been working non-stop for over 20 minutes. A surprise attack from a predator has startled the unsuspecting layabouts. It's feeding time for this hungry brute. With the amount this wild beast can consume, he won't need to eat again for at least an hour. The apprentice, a tradesman in his infancy, he'll watch and learn from the on-site elders in the hope of becoming a fully fledged adult. For now, though, his main skills lie in tea making. White and 2 sugars. And here we have one of the more simpler of the species attempting to lace up a work boot. It may seem like a simple task for most, but this animal will be here for some time.